Hey guys, welcome to our channel, Jagas Kitchen Vlogs, and today we are back with another amazing recipe. But before I tell you that, if you're watching our channel for the first time, please subscribe, hit the bell icon for more notifications. Today our recipe is Paneer Schezwan. It is like literally amazing. You have to try for sure. So let's get started. This is the end of the video. Please give a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much for watching.